Hey, congratulations on making it to this video. My name's Dwight, and I just want to say thanks for checking out my story, taking a step forward, raising your hand and saying, I want to see how I can make a change in how I'm living life. It's funny because most people in the world just kind of suffer in silence, working a job they hate, and just go on living life as if there's no other alternative, you know what I mean? But some of us actually do make a change. We hit a point where enough is enough, and we decide to do something about it and take our life back. Those of us that do change everything for ourselves, our families, and our loved ones, and are the owners of exciting, happy, and very fulfilled lives. How do I know? Because just a few short months ago, that's exactly what I did. Now, I had just lost everything. The pandemic hit and I was laid off. I had just ended a 12-year marriage. I was completely starting over from scratch, and I just made a decision. I said, you know what? It's time for me to take control of my life and to finally be the best version of me that I could possibly be. Now, I was more pushed and more challenged than ever before, but it's been an incredible, amazing process, one that has changed me forever, and I want to share a big part of that with you right now. So here's what's next. On the next page, you're going to watch a short video with a guy named Dave. He's going to share a little bit with you about a 15-day online business challenge that we're doing. Now, it was life-changing for me, and I think you're going to absolutely love what he's going to share with you. He's going to share with you some of his own strategies that he's used to build not just one, but multiple seven-figure online businesses. Again, multiple seven-figure online businesses. So, I think you're going to absolutely love what he's got to share with you. Now, I don't know where you're at. If you're retired and you're bored, or, you're looking for a side hustle, or maybe you're tired of working 40, 50, 60-hour work weeks, building someone else's dream. Or maybe you're a stay-at-home mom who's got a little extra time on her hands. No matter where you're at, imagine how it would be, and imagine what it would feel like to learn how to create from scratch an online business, to empower yourself, and to take your life back, and to finally actually enjoy what you're doing. Now, I'm not going to say this is easy, because truthfully, it's not. But if you're willing to put in the work, we will hand you the blueprints. So if you'd like to see this short video with Dave, click the button directly beneath this video and we'll send you right over to it. Now, be sure to take immediate action on what you learn in this video, and I can't wait to walk alongside you and help set you free. Now, the last bit of instruction I have for you is to watch out for my emails in your inbox. I'm going to be sharing with you a little more about my story and how it drastically changed my life and how it could change yours as well. So again, my name's Dwight. I look forward to meeting you in the future. Click the button below and let's make the rest of your life the best of your life.